Welcome, friends, to yet another episode of Support FNB series. Today we are at one of the most popular and prominent Andhra cuisine restaurant, the Spicy Menu. Let's go and see what's in store for us. Let's hear from Mr. Sampath Srinivas Tumala how the entire order process goes inside, behind the scenes. Namaskaram, Sampath garu.
సార్ బాగున్నారండి.
Very good. How's the business?
ఇప్పుడే స్టార్ట్ చేసాం, ఒక వారం రోజులైంది. జస్ట్ స్టార్టెడ్ ఇట్. కమ్ ఐ లెట్ యూ షో ద హోమ్
Please, let's go. Sampath garu, it's been a great honor to have you on our show for today. Firstly, I would like to thank you for that. And coming to the a long history of 2 decades of being in the business, how is it post COVID for you? And what are the precautionary measures you are implementing? If you could give us in detail, it would be great helpful for us.
నమస్తే సంకల్ప్ గారు, హౌ ఆర్ యూ డూయింగ్?
Fantastic.
Sir, thank you for coming over and let the public know about how Spicy Venue is taking all precautions to do the supply. So, 2 decades of experience, yeah, but after this epidemic, I feel that I am a learner. I still have to learn a lot of things. But getting adapted to the new normalcy, we have started taking new precautions and we have started doing the supply. In spite of us getting permission a month back to do the takeaways, we have waited for a full month, quarantined our staff. We have made sure that everybody is fit and healthy, and then taken them into the premises.
So, how was the takeaway process you started with the new measures?
During the lockdown, all the FNB friends, the fraternity, we all had to group up and we had started discussions. So, very fortunate that I have friends in FNB and it was a very productive discussion. Every day evening we used to have Zoom calls, we used to discuss things, and we used to discuss what's happening outside the world, outside India and around the world. So we started adapting measures which have been taken from there. First thing is, sir, FSSSI or some organizations of the government already has given guidances. Not only now, it's been like we've been practicing from past so many years. It's just the few items which have changed. But fortunately, we've been practicing it from a long time. And now what we have done is we are exhibiting it to the guests to get the guest confidence, just to boost the confidence of the guests.
Yes.
So while entering into the restaurant, you must have seen, apart from the temperature check and the hand sanitization, we also sanitize the foot with sodium hypochlorite. And then get the guest inside. Again, we request them to hand wash them. We have more hand wash basins outside, and those are also touch free. We have pedals with that. We pedal that. One pedal gives the soap and other pedal gives the water. So after that, you come and we have divided the sections into 3 parts. One is a home delivery section, which we do personally for our neighborhood clientele. Second is we have the Swiggy aggregator section where the Swiggy people, the delivery executives come and take the parcels. And third is the takeaways. The takeaways, the guests directly come and take out the parcels. And outside also you must have seen we have temperature checks, and we have temperature checks for the vendors and the guests and the staff, which are exhibited in the book, registered book, and also we have the staff whiteboard where we display the staff temperatures.
Fantastic.
And once you come in, we have social distancing made in the seating and the queue system what we have made.
I saw that some foot marks also mentioned on the flooring.
It's just the distance what we have to maintain, the queue system for that we have put.
Okay.
And once you come place the order is we have two systems. You either tell your own order, or we have a QR code where you have a contactless menu. We'll not give any menu card.
Right.
So you
Scan.
scan the menu, then you have the menu with you. You can place the order. The order will directly go into the kitchen.
Right.
Or you give the order directly to the supervisor sitting there. He'll take the order. He'll send it into kitchen. So everything is digitalized from the tab to the kitchen.
Completely hands free.
Everything is
operation.
hands free. So once the order is placed and the tab sends the KOT to the kitchen, the KOT gets printed there. The order is told to the departments. The order is made and then packed and get it into the dispatch section. And if you can observe the dispatch section over there, once the order comes in, the handle is should not be handled with the staff. Just the bottom of the cover should be handled with the staff. So then what we do is we give a small sanitation set. In that we have a couple of gloves, a sanitizer and alcohol swab.
Okay.
So once that thing, and we have a small pamphlet if you can observe there. In that we have a package to plate. We have the protocol of how you have to take the package to your home, cut it, sanitize it, put it in your container, throw away our packaging, then again how to reheat it and then consume it.
Okay. Right. And one important observation which I've noticed is there's a small temperature chart which you're pinning onto the delivery packet. Can you explain what it's all about?
Sir, what we generally do is morning when the staff comes in, we have a temperature check, and after every 3 hours or 4 hours, we have our second temperature check, and end of the session we have one more temperature check. So almost 3 times we are doing the temperature check.
Okay.
So the chef's temperature, the food handler's temperature,
Okay.
and the packaging guy's temperature is noted and put it on the this thing.
Oh, very interesting.
Sir.
Very interesting steps. So, what more steps you are taking care to build in the confidence to the customer?
Sir,
I also saw that UV rays.
So what we do is after whole packaging,
Hmm.
we generally knot it off.
Hmm.
We put a lock to the handle
Right.
so that no more hands get into it, and we see that the whole food is packaged, and then so the food packaging is put into a UV box where it is set for only 20 to 30 seconds. So once we put it into that from one end, the other end the customer sanitizes his hands and takes it and goes away. So once it is put it in the UV box, the whole thing is sterilized and the guest takes it himself.
Perfect. Wonderful precautions. And also, how about the billing process?
So we have a QR code for the Paytm. We have digital money. We are discouraging cash.
Okay. But I saw there's a bowl which you are.
See, many of them have different options.
Right.
So in that cash is some of them still would like to pay by cash. So what we do is we don't cash the cash. Our staff doesn't cash the cash. What we do is we ask the guest to count it and put it in that. Then we have a UV cash box inside near the cashier.
Mhm.
So even this guy who takes the cash from the guest in a bowl, he dumps it into the UV cash box.
Okay.
And then we give him back the whatever change. We are trying to get the exact change of the bill.
So you are discouraging as much as possible cash transactions.
Cash transactions.
Wonderful.
And one major important thing is we have, if you've seen in the dispatch layout, we have put a monitor in front of the guest where the guest takes the parcel.
Hmm.
So once he places the order, he'd be seeing the live kitchen inside.
Right.
So the guest gets more confident when he's taking away his parcel how the kitchen is maintained. However, we are showing off in the front. We are also putting the same PPE kits. We have the face mask. We have the face shield kept with proper gloves and sanitizers inside the kitchen, so that the staff is fit and he's giving a proper produce. And
Wonderful.
finally, what precautions we are taking this with the staff is we are giving them from day one. Last we have opened just a week back, but when we've got permissions to start, where the lockdown thing,
Mhm.
we had got first takeaway permissions, and June 8th we have got permissions for sit down
Right.
for the inside dining.
Yes.
So for the inside dining, we didn't want to take a chance because a lot of crowd are expected to come in and dine, and anyways the capacity of the restaurant is come into 50%. If we allow also, there's a lot of waiting and all. So when we're using the place for takeouts and all, we didn't want people to wait and come. So we
It
are,
is not
we are starting up. We're planning for procedures, and once a couple of months go, we are confident that some medicine or some vaccine is coming into the market, and then only we want to start the restaurant.
It's a very,
And,
very good idea.
And for the staff, as you've seen the PP kits and all, also their eating habits also. We're giving them proper food for families who are staying in their own houses apart from our hostels. We are giving them vegetables or meats or whatever they are going to consume. We are getting it over here. We are sanitizing that and giving them every week, so that they also have a healthy meal. And also morning they come, they have a vitamin C tablet, and afternoon they go for a multivitamin, zinc or anything. So we are giving all those things also to them.
Wonderful, Sampath Garu. You are not only giving in confidence to the customer to come back to take the food from here, you are at the same time are also giving confidence to the customer that your staff is also being taken care, and you're not here to take a risk in any factors.
So many of the migrant staff who have gone before the lockdown opening and all, they are willing to come back and join the business. So once the public transport is ready and they're going to come, we're not going to allow them inside,
Okay.
because we have to monitor the movement of the staff. So morning 9 o'clock they're coming, and almost 9 o'clock they're here, 12 hours. In middle of the time also we have 3 to 5 break time, but we're not allowing them outside. They're resting here itself in the restroom. And second thing, whoever is coming from outside, coming back to business, so we are going to quarantine them for 15 to 20 days, see their health checks, and then get them in over here.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Sampath Garu.
So thank
Let
you very much.
me-
It's a pleasure having you.
My pleasure, and it would be great for people to know
I am really happy that you had come here and educating people that how we are doing about.
Yes, it is the necessity for this hour, and let me go home, follow all the instructions, and enjoy the favorite potlam biryani and my apricot delight at home, following all your instructions.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Sampath Garu. Thank you so much. So friends, you must have seen the entire process flow and the safety measures that Spicy Venue is taking to bring back the confidence into the customer about how safe is taking the food away from here on a takeaway, and hope this would give you an insight about how safe it is to take a takeaway from the Spicy Venue. Until my next video, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.